Check out this R2D2 Christmas ornament thing. Apparently it's supposed to play music, or at least his noise, and I don't know, I'm guessing it's got lights on as well, but it's not doing anything. And it does have a bit of a rattle. So let's have a look in here. Right. It's the batteries that are rattling. They're not making a connection, are they? Okay, this might be quite easy. Yeah, it's missing a spring here. Wow. Okay. I mean, that might not be the only problem. I kind of hope it is, though, because this looks like it's all one sealed unit. I can't see no visible screws. Well, let's fix it up. So it's missing a spring here. The spring has either not been installed or it's snapped off. I don't know. I've got my box of springy goodness. I might just be able to solder it on without getting into this thing. That would be good. Let me just see how much room there is. Not a lot. So it does only need to be a very, very small spring. Right, what I'm going to do... Where's that one going? I'm going to cut off a bit of this spring and I'm going to try and solder it back onto this piece of metal here, and that might be all this needs. Right, let's have a look at that. Yes, that is lovely and
solid.
Let's see if the batteries are going to fit in. Yes, they do. Perfectly. Right, let's see if that's going to work. Is this going to be the world's easiest fix? Right, here we go. That's annoying. Yeah, you won't want that going off all the time, would you? Stupid droid.
Something's waiting in the bushes of love. Yo, never knew my daddy didn't care about me. Dead horizon is all my micro binoculars see. Moisture farming all my life and not a drop spilled. My aunt and uncle double sons, I'm sipping blue milk. My aunt and uncle double sons, I'm sick of blue milk.